JUKMO sent me their Leather Ratchet Belt, so in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and give my first impressions of this. So inside the box we're going to have the introduction card, and right underneath that there's going to be this metal pouch that holds the clasp itself, and then all the way at the bottom we're going to have the light brown belt. Now installation for this is pretty easy. We are going to have an installation guide on the back of this, and we can either go ahead and insert it and clasp it together, or we can go ahead and cut the belt if it's going to be too long. And in this case, I'm just going to use the original size it comes with because it's pretty good. So this can be lifted right up, the belt can be pushed inside, and then we can push this and make sure this is at the correct angle. So there, that looks pretty squared off, and give it a good push. So there's also this piece if you want to fit it inside, and now I can go ahead and just put the belt through all these loops. And then as I push it inwards, it'll go ahead and get tighter and tighter and tighter. And there, that could be a good fit. And if you do want to go ahead and loosen this, there's just going to be this little clip at the bottom here that just push down. And so here's a better angle so you can see what I'm doing. Push that in and then pull right out, and there. And so here's what the back looks like. So this is where it goes ahead and clips onto place. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the belt because I've been needing a light brown color. And now I can add this to my other belts that I have. And these are also by JUKMO, except the top part is going to be angled, so it's going to be a different design. But here now I have black, dark brown, and light brown. But yeah, if you're looking for a belt for somebody, you know, for a gift, especially because it does come in this nice gift box thing, definitely check these belts out by JUKMO.